Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Wig Type. Shout out to Wig Type for sending me this unit. This unit is by Freetress. It is in the style BW101, I think. Whatever, you guys see what the name of it is in the title. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and yeah, it's really cute. It's a look. And honestly, before I even applied my Sally Hansen airbrush legs, I felt like the lace looked really good. I felt like it was tinted or something. I don't know, but well, obviously it was tinted. I don't know. I just felt like the lace was really good, and I felt like the lace matched good even without me applying my Sally Hansen. And yeah, y'all, the rest I'm not gonna even waste y'all time. It's all the same stuff that I always do, and yeah. So y'all, if you are interested in this wig, click the link in the description box. Also, if you just want to check out wigtypes.com, I recommend you guys check it out. That will be in the description box as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am done styling this unit, and this is what I came up with. This unit was sent to me by wigtypes.com, so shout out to you, Wig Types, for sending me this unit. I am super excited about it, and I really like it. But before we get into all of that, I want to give you guys the specs, let you know who is buying, all that good stuff. Oh, I also want to give you a disclaimer. Y'all, I poked myself in the eye with my mascara, so that's why that eye is red. I know it's looking a mess on. Let me see. Do it look real bad on camera, y'all? Do anybody else do that? I do that occasionally. Sometimes you'll see me on camera and one of my eyes is red. It's because I probably poked myself in the eye with mascara. Like, anyways, y'all. So this unit is by Freetress, child. This unit is by Freetress. It is their braided edge frontal lace wig. It is in the style BLW001, and I have it in the color 1B. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. And I kind of figured just by the stock card that this unit wasn't going to be that bad. You know, when it comes to, like I always say, when it comes to braided wigs, they're hit and miss. But judging by the stock card, it didn't look terrible on the stock card. So I was like, okay, all right, let's give it a try. So that's what it looks like on the stock card. And this is what it looks like, oh Lord, on the inside. Can you guys see that? If y'all see makeup on my nails, it's because I just got done doing my makeup and I'm messy. But yeah. And on the back it says pre-styled 100% hand-tied lace frontal, and it says it's pre-plucked. And yeah, the hairline doesn't look bad, so I can't argue with any of this. And I did not have to cut the baby hairs, nor did I tweeze the baby hairs. So I was really, really happy about that, because it says with natural baby hairs. It's 13 by 4 ear-to-ear lace. And yeah, let me. And it is safe up to 400 degrees. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. So yeah, y'all, I am really, really pleasantly surprised and really feeling this unit. I can't even say pleasantly surprised. Well, maybe so, yeah. I thought it was going to look good, but it actually looks better than I thought it was going to look. I did decide to lay it down, but I do feel like it's one of those units that you really don't have to lay down. I felt like it was still going to be cute, even if I did not lay it down. So that's also a plus. It's just a really, really cute unit, y'all. So let you guys get all up in there, okay? Get all up into this hair. So I'm going to zoom in and just let you look. So that's what it looks like, and that is without any manipulation. So I honestly feel like Freetress did a really, really good job. Like, the unit kind of reminds me of Raina, a pre-style version of Raina. I guess because it's curly, but honestly, I think I like it a little bit more than Raina. Probably because it's freestyle, y'all. Y'all know I love some freestyle stuff. But yeah, it kind of does remind me of a freestyle version of Raina. I'm not sure how much this particular unit costs. I will have that down below. But yeah, I think it's worth it. Whatever it is, it's super cute. And it is also, to me, big head friendly. It's not huge, but I do feel like it is big head friendly. It fits me really, really comfortably. I did adjust the straps a little bit. I do have a medium to regular size head. So, yeah, I did adjust the straps some. Yeah, like, I just really, really think it's cute. Now, tangling, honestly, y'all, it has some snags at the very bottom, but it's not a whole lot. Like, it's crazy because when you see hair like this, you do automatically think that it's tangles. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I do. Like, when I see units like this, I'm like, oh, Lord, that's going to be a tangling mess. But right now, it's not. Like I said, do have some snags at the ends, but it's not bad. Like, I have ran my fingers through it because I wanted kind of a more of a poofy type look than a silky look. And you know, when you run your fingers through these type of things, you get that poofy. I don't know how to explain. Y'all know what the heck I'm talking about. You see the look, okay? Like, maybe, yeah, like this. Like, that's more of poofy. You know what I mean? So yeah. But I didn't get any. I did get some shedding. Once again, it's not a whole lot, but I did get some. Like, it just depends on you. Like, I'm not really, if I say that the shedding is terrible, that means it's terrible. Because these units are synthetic, you know. So, like, if I say a unit is like, the shedding is terrible, y'all, that means that it is over the top, okay? As far as just a little shedding here and there, I do expect it to shed a little bit. It is a human hair wig, you know, it's cheap. I mean, not human, it is a synthetic hair wig, and it, you know, it is inexpensive, so I do expect it to shed some. But the shedding on this wig is not terrible at all, so I'm not mad at it. Like, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at this unit overall at all. I think it is really, really cute, and I gotta say, go ahead, Freetress. You done showed up and showed out, okay? So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it, okay? All the products that I use the same products every single time. I will list down below. I have been lately forgetting to put my Sally Hansen down below, but I do use the Sally Hansen airbrush legs and on the inside of the lace, and then I get my Fit Me pressed powder and put it on the outside of the lace. So yeah, that's all I used, and everything else, in case I forget that, I want to tell you that, but everything else will be listed down below in the description box. So let me give you guys a lint check and a full 360, and we can wrap this thing up. Now this is a lot of hair, so if you're not a fan of a lot of hair, I know it's hot, y'all. I know it's the summer. I have on long sleeves. It's cool in my house. I will be taking this off before I get out here in these streets, though, okay? But it is summer, so this is a lot of hair, but I don't know, y'all. I think it's worth it. What you think? So anyways, this is all the hair brought to the front. It's a lot. Ugh, it's a lot. I like it, though. So anyways, this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I really feel in the unit. I would recommend the unit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And also, if you're not already subscribed, just click that subscribe button. Click it. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.